A 4-year-old war orphan at the center of a custody fight with international implications. The now years-long legal battle pitting her adopted parents, one of them a Marine officer, with her family back in Afghanistan. News Nation's Kelly Meyer joins us live from Washington. And Kelly, we're now getting an inside look at this case.
This is such a complex story, Kelly. At its root, it's a human story, a custody case with implications beyond the courtroom and beyond our country. It's also about a parent's and a family's love for this young child and who she rightfully belongs with. This is the Marine, Major Joshua Mast, that brought home an Afghan orphan and is now being accused by the U.S. government of kidnapping. This complicated case, much like the complicated withdrawal from Afghanistan, spans two presidential administrations, Trump and Biden, and now has the U.S. government warning a Virginia judge that this move by the Marine can risk violating international law and be seen as, quote, endorsing an act of international child abduction. In court filings obtained by the Associated Press, the Justice Department is working to intervene in the case, warning that failing to return the 4-year-old to Afghan relatives that are now in the U.S. could risk American efforts to resettle Afghan refugees in the future. DOJ lawyers wrote a scathing assessment of how Major Joshua Mast and his wife, Stephanie, got a Virginia judge to sign off on the adoption of the girl, citing a litany of falsehoods and intentional misrepresentation, writing, quote, the grave harm that the Masts have inflicted upon the child, her family, and the United States is ongoing. Going on to say, most troubling, the child remains with the Masts to this day. Now, Mast was an attorney in Afghanistan and met the baby in a U.S. military hospital. In one earlier court filing, Mast lawyers wrote that he and his wife worked at great personal expense and sacrifice to protect the baby and, quote, provide her a loving home. Now, both the Masts and the girl's Afghan relatives now in the U.S. are suing to get the little girl back. I want to note that we reached out to the State Department and the Pentagon. The Pentagon just got back to us moments ago saying they can't get into this as it is ongoing litigation. Kelly.
Wow. All right, so Kelly, this story obviously brings up a flurry of emotions and questions, but these overseas military adoptions aren't rare, correct?
That's right. The military sometimes offers up orphanage visits to active service members while serving overseas. This is part of their community outreach, and some of those interactions do result in adoptions. You can see in 2022, there were 1,517 adoptions by service members from countries other than the U.S. The year before that, more than 1,700 children were adopted from overseas. And in 2020, that number was just over 1,600. The majority of adoptions were females in the age range of 5 years to 12 years old. Kelly.
Wow. All right. Kelly Meyer, one to follow. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.